Okay, so let's say we don't know the Ka, but they give us information about the pH of the solution. We're still going to use RICE. And so we have the pH of this molar solution of HF is this value. Calculate Ka for HF. So we are going to have to disassociate HF. Since we know it's hydrofluoric acid, it would disassociate into hydrogen ions plus fluoride ions. So I have my reaction. Initial. I'm going to have 0 of my products, and I'm going to have this molar solution, 2.0 molar. Change. I'm always going to lose X here. I'm always going to gain X here and X here. And coefficients here match the ones here. That's just stoichiometry. And my equilibrium, however, I have some information that I can figure out what these values are because they told me the pH, and I know that pH equals a negative log of the hydrogen ion concentration. So the hydrogen ion concentration will equal 10 to the negative pH, in this case, negative 1.92. How do I put that in my calculator? Well, I'm glad you asked. You find where the log button is, and right above that will be 10 to the x. So I'm going to hit that. I'm going to put in a negative sign, and then I'm going to put in the value for my pH, which is 1.92 equals. And so I have the concentration of hydrogen ions is 0.1 or 0.12. Since my pH has 2 decimal places, it has 2 significant figures, and that's where I stop. So X now I can replace is 0.012, 0.012, and 0.012. So 0.20 minus 0.012 equals, and again we're going to round it to the hundredths place, which would be, and we can even just leave this whole number. So this is going to be 0.188. This is going to be 0.012 and 0.012. So my Ka is still going to equal the concentration of hydrogen ions times the concentration of fluoride ions divided by the concentration of HF. And I'm looking to find Ka, and I have these 3 numbers, so I'll put them in. So 0.012, 0.012 divided by 0.188. So 0.01 times 0.010 divided by, I could just use second answer, equals, and I get 7.65 times 10 to the negative 4th, which rounding to 2 significant figures will be 7.7 times 10 to the negative 4th equals my Ka for HF. So I hope you found that helpful. It doesn't matter really what we're given, we just have to use that RICE. It will make it simple for us, and it organizes our data. It's basically our data table. So here's a problem where we were given pH and concentration and asked to find Ka. Thanks for watching.